Hey, what's the crack? Thanks for stopping by. So it's time to overwinter some chilies. I'm gonna start get cracking on that right away. Some of them are looking worse for wear, that's because they're lacking water. These ones here had something to sit in, so they're doing a little bit better. First I'm gonna remove all the chilies anyway. Tasty. On to the main job of cutting them back. As I was saying, I haven't got many of these V's, so they might end up quite tall. Would ideally like a size pot down, but the best size that I have are these ones, which are a little bit on the small side. But, the roots will need to be trimmed back anyway. I'll try and remove as much of the old compost as possible, and we'll expose them roots. Some people use water at this stage, like a hose, but I'm not wasting water. It's good for, it will help getting rid of any pests or whatever as well. But, come on. You do you though. And obviously those roots are a little too long to fit in there, so I'll just trim them away. Not anywhere near full. Downwards, down. That's one done anyway, and I'll crack on with the rest of them. So there's the final product, as it were, and as I said, this compost is already quite moist, so that's good. I'll save water on them now to start off with moist. Obviously when I bring them indoors they'll eventually start drying out, and I'll just keep them moist. The idea is just to keep them alive over winter, not to start growing more fruit. But I suppose you could do that if you've got the lights, but I don't. So it's the windowsills, and we'll see how it goes. And there they are, indoors on the windowsill, and I know what you're thinking. Those drip trays are too big. And I agree, I'll get smaller ones. But for now, that's something for them. They're old drip trays. Remind them of home out there. So I'll keep you updated on how they get on, or don't get on throughout the winter. It's long.